Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is today I will introduce a first year book to you. So it is introduction of book for first year and subject is English. This is book for grade 11 or for first year. This is English book. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa textbook Peshawar board. This is the new edition. Now coming to table of contents. In table of contents we have total 22 units. First one is a text in a prose, responsibilities of youth. Second one is his first flight. It is a prose. Number 3 is good timber. It is a poem. Number 4 is from mother with love. It is prose. Number 5, it's country for me. It's prose. Number 6, mother to son. It is a poem. Number 7, choice of career. It is a prose. Number 8, wasteland. It is a prose. Number 9, the white lamp. It is a prose. Number 10, the world is too much with us. It is a poem. Number 11, the importance of family. It is a prose. The blanket. It is a prose. Now coming to number 13, unit number 13, Ozymandias. It is a poem. A long walk home. It is a prose. Number 15, the university days. It is a prose. Number 16, school versus education. It is a prose. Number 17, what you do is what you are. It is a prose. Number 18, a dream within a dream. It is a poetry. It is a poem. Number 19, drug abuse in the youth of Pakistan. It is a prose. Number 20, how to take a job interview. It is a prose. Number 21, the road not taken. It is a poetry. It is a poem. The progress. It is a prose. So in table of content we have total 22 units. Most of them are prose and some of them are based on poetry. As you can see, after title there are a column shows the themes of the units and then the outcomes, and then there is page number of the concerned topic. Now coming to paper pattern. The paper pattern for first year is you have total marks 100. So the English paper is of 100 marks. In section number A you have 20 MCQs. 20 MCQs. There are no MCQs in exercise, so you have to be very careful in your reading, that you have to make objectives out of your text. So you have to be very careful in reading your text. So you have to make your objectives by yourself. There are 20 objectives, MCQs. MCQs means multiple choice question, where you have 3 choices and you have to pick one which is correct one. Section number B. Section number B is of 15 marks. Question number 2 is answer the 10 parts. Part 1 and part 2 are compulsory. So you have to answer 10 parts. Part 1 and part 2 are compulsory, while 8 parts are to be attempted from the remaining 11 parts. Each part carries 5 marks. So first and 2 part would be compulsory, and there will be 11 parts in which you have to answer 8 parts. So 8 parts from comprehension and 2 parts 1 and 2 it is compulsory. So in totality these makes 10 parts. First part, which is compulsory, is explain with the reference to context, and the second part, which is compulsory, is paraphrasing of the stanza and the remaining questions from comprehension. So you have to understand section number B. In section number B, you have to answer 10 parts. In 10 parts, you have part 1 and part 2 compulsory, and the remaining questions, the remaining 11 questions, in which you have to attempt only 8 parts, it will be from comprehension of the text. So, in totality, you have to attempt 10 parts in section B. First and 2 are compulsory. Now coming to section C. In section C, it comprises of 30 marks. Question number 3 is attempt any 3 questions. There are 4 questions in section C and you have to attempt only 3 questions out of 4 questions. Question number 3 has 2 parts. By attempting 2 parts, you will carry 10 marks. Question number 3 means you have to attempt part A and part B as well. Part A and part B will make question number 3 complete. Question number 3, part A. Translate the following into Urdu. So, there would be some sentences which you have to translate into Urdu. Part B, translate the following into English. There would be some sentences which you have to translate into English. So, in combination of A and B, you have to attempt A and B and then it will make question number 3. There is no choice in question number 3. If you will choose this question, you have to attempt part A and part B as well. Part A carries 5 marks, part B carries 5 marks, and in totality it carries 10 marks. Question number 4, part A is change the voice of the following. You have to change the voice, active passive voice. Part B of question number 4 is fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. So, question 4 will be completed if you attempt part A and part B of it. And it also carries 10 marks. Question number 5. Question number 5, it has also 2 parts. Write the summary of the lesson. You have to write the summary of one of the lesson. And number 2, draw the character sketch. So, part 5 have 2 parts, part A and part B. You have to attempt both of these which may have 10 marks. Question number 6, write a letter. So, it is only single question. It has no parts. So, write a letter. It is last question. As you can see, there are 4 questions. Question number 3 comprising of 2 parts. Question number 4 comprising of 2 parts. Question number 5 comprising of 2 parts. And question number 6. There is choice for you in section C. You have to attempt only 3 out of these 4 questions. So, we will repeat it again. Paper pattern, total marks of English paper is 100. In section number A, you have to attempt 20 MCQs. 20 MCQs will be given to you and you have to attempt 20 MCQs in a separate sheet. Now coming to section number B. In section number B, in question number 2, you have to answer 10 parts. Part 1, this one, and part 2, this one are compulsory, while 8 parts are to be attempted from the remaining 11 parts. So, there would be 11 parts from remaining questions from comprehension and you have to attempt 8 parts in it. So, there will be choice in comprehension questions. You have to attempt 8 parts out of 11. Now coming to section C, it carries 30 marks. Attempt any 3 questions out of 4. So, question number 3 has 2 parts. It carries 10 marks. Question number 3 has 2 parts. Question number 4 has 2 parts. Question number 5 has 2 parts. And there is question number 6. So, it was the introduction of book and paper pattern. Introduction of book will make you assured that how to utilize your time for completing your course, and paper pattern will help you to know how to prepare for examination, how to prepare yourself for examination, which questions are there in section number B and section number C, on which questions you have to focus on. So it was introduction of paper pattern and book. Thank you.